Hello guys, hello teacher, my name is Eliana Olivares, I live in San Victor Moca. I study at Salome Ureña, Luis Napoleon Nunes Molina. Karen is Bachelor of Mathematics oriented to secondary education. Subject is English Interchange 2. My teacher is Christopher Peralta. Registration is 2018-06-37. Moca, Dominican Republic, 7 May 30, 2020. Okay, in the municipality of San Victor and tribe of Guerrero, is it necessary that all authorities help without more drinking water as is only available once a week. There's course big direct electric service. The electric does not stay the ring house and they charge for the service. Drilling a police make say thing is it installed in a home that is not used about is in down constitute bringing a cause for you people to be had to play and recreate. School very than in poor they have great and poor maintenance. Their school animal abuse, since the animals are there on the street. Some the imagines dog, cat, squirts, drink water. Okay, guys. I goodbye.